Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to your class and my channel. And today you're going to learn about 8 cool ways to ask and answer about salary or money or time duration, basically anything that you can quantify in numbers. Okay, so sometimes if you're answering, you might not want to tell the other person. You might be a bit hesitant to be specific, or you just might not even know the answer. Okay, so I'm really excited about today's lesson, so let's get on with it. Okay, just before we start, I have noticed on my analytics that a lot of you have not still subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get on with it. So the first word that you can use is approximately. Approximately. Okay, so if someone asks you, what's your salary? What's your salary? You can say approximately £40,000. So that would mean, maybe 37,000 or 43. So it's in that range. Okay. In the UK, just want to say, people don't usually ask what your salary is. Okay, it's a bit of a taboo thing. Okay, you don't really ask what your salary is, but some people do ask, what's your salary? You might not want to tell them, you might be a personal question. So you say approximately this much. Okay, or how much do you approximately earn? Approximately 40,000. So you can put it in the question, you can even put it in the answer, approximately. How much do you approximately earn? Because you already might feel that the other person might not want to tell you, so you already put approximately in the question. Okay, cool tactic. Next one, around. So for instance, how much are UK university fees? How much are UK university fees? So if somebody doesn't know the answer, around 9,000 per year for home students. That's how much it is. It's around 9,000. I think the exact amount is 9250 for home students. So the other way you can use around is, excuse me, around how long will the order take? So if you're in a restaurant, you've been waiting a while for your order, your food hasn't come, you can call the waiter and say, excuse me, around how long will the order take? You could say, around 15 minutes, ma'am. Okay. Next one. Roughly. This is a cool one. Can you tell me roughly how long it takes for a UK visa application? You could put it in the question like this, roughly, because you might feel that the other person doesn't know exactly. They might not know exactly. And you could answer roughly 3 months. So roughly 3 months means approximately between 2 or 4 months. So roughly 3 months. Next one. Number 4. Idea. How do you use it? Can you give me an idea when I will hear back? So suppose if you've made a visa application, a university application, and you want to know when you're going to hear back, or even a job application, can you give me an idea when I will hear back? So the other person could say it could take 6 to 8 weeks. So that's the idea that they have, 6 to 8 weeks. Okay. This one, now this is a cool one as well. Rough estimate or just estimate. Rough estimate. Rough actually means it sort of means approximate. So rough estimate. Can you give me a rough estimate how much a 1-bedroom flat would rent for in central London? Okay, so it's a rough estimate. Okay, so about £1,000 per month. About £1,000 per month. That's my rough estimate. Okay, that how much it would cost for a 1-bedroom flat in central London. I would say about £1,000 per month. I could say roughly £1,000 per month. I could say around £1,000 per month. I could say approximately £1,000 per month. Okay. but you wouldn't say rough estimate £1,000 per month. Okay, about £1,000 per month. Okay, next one. 6. Rough guide. Rough guide. Can you give me a rough guide as to how much driving lessons are in the UK? £20 to £30 per lesson. Okay, that's a rough guide. It could be 20, it could be 25, it could be 30. It could even be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more. Okay, but that's a rough guide. Okay, next one, number 7. In the region or in the range of. In the region of or in the range of. How much do, oh, this should be not you here. How much do new graduates earn in the UK? Just ignore you. It shouldn't be there. How much do new graduates earn in the UK? So I would say in the region of 25,000 to £50,000, depending on their experience, on their qualifications, on the university they went to, and also the job stream. Okay, so in the region of 25,000 to £50,000. I could say in the range of, okay. And 8, and the final one is about. Okay, so how would you use this? Okay, about, what time will you come? So if you have arranged to meet your friend and you ask her, what time will you come? She said, about 3 o'clock. About 3 o'clock. What does that mean, about 3 o'clock? It means maybe 2:45 p.m., maybe 3:20 p.m. Okay, so in that range, about 3 o'clock. So near that time. Okay, and suppose if she phones you or she calls you and she says, oh, I'm going to be late. So you could say, no problem. About how long will you take? So here it is in the question. About how long will you take? Here, about half an hour. So half an hour means near half an hour. So it could be 20 minutes, it could be 45 minutes. Okay, so I really hope that you've learned some interesting words, some useful terms that you can use when you want to ask someone a question, that involves approximation. Okay, so these are some of the terms that you can use. I hope you have really learned something and you use these in your English conversation. I want to know from you, roughly, how long have you been learning English? So please comment below with your answers. Roughly, how long have you been learning English? And if you have any questions, please comment because I do answer every single comment, okay? And if you have learned even something, a little bit of something, please do like my video and please remember to subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.